Today, we will learn how to create an email account using Chrome. If you would like us to make a video on how to create an email account on other apps, please leave a comment below. Let's start. Take your phone, open Chrome app. After opening Chrome, you will see this screen. Click on Choose Another Account. Here, you will already see your old Gmail accounts. Since you want to create a new Gmail address, make sure to click on the Add Account to Device button down below. After that, you need to select Google as we are creating a Gmail account. Then your phone will ask you to confirm your identity. You can do this using your fingerprint or your phone's password. Now click on Create Account button. Now you will see two options, for my personal use or for work or my business. Since we are creating a normal email account, click on For My Personal Use. Now it will ask you to enter your name. First name is required, so make sure you enter it. Last name is optional. You can enter it or leave it empty. Then click Next. Now enter your date of birth. Make sure you enter it correctly. After that, select your gender from the list. Then click Next. Now, Google will suggest some available Gmail addresses. You can select one of these or create one of your choice. If your preferred email is not available, try adding numbers that you will always remember, like your birth year or your date of birth. Once you have selected an address or created one of your choice, click Next. Now, create your password. Enter a strong password and type it again to confirm. Make sure your password is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. You can also use Google's suggested strong password. But there is one very important thing. Make sure you write your password somewhere safe, because if you forget it, you might lose access to your email. So always save it in your notebook or somewhere only you can access. Now, accept Google's terms and policies, and congratulations, my friends! You have successfully created your new Gmail address. See? It was that easy. If this video made email easy for you, then don't forget to like and share with your friends and family, and comment below if you want more simple tutorials. See you in the next one!